was feeling that it was time to go. Far away from my home, far away from your love. I've taken to the seas another destiny. Far away from my home, far away from your love.
Alright, so I found a new way to get home from the city. You know what I'm saying? There's actually a ferry, because I've been taking the express bus. I've been taking the express bus, you know what I'm saying? But there's a ferry that I can take that takes me home, and I'm on it now. So, I just came from the CLG GP race, you know what I'm saying? Came from the CLGP race, and now, well, I took the ferry to Governor's Island. Now I'm on the ferry that's going to take me to the Bronx. You know what I mean? Not really sure if the sound on this is clear. That's why I'm like holding the camera close. I apologize for that. There's a bar on here, TV, all that. It's summertime. I'm gonna be taking this home from work a few times over. Let's be clear. You know what I'm saying? This is lit. This is lit. It's a little chilly today, but it's all good. Oh, look, it's a bird. And he ain't scared. There's two of them. That's funny. Check this out. Nice. Yeah, I'm not too far from Pier 17. If you look right there, that's Pier 17. And in front of me is the Staten Island and Governor's Island ferry. So I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to everybody that's been so patient with me. left, I didn't get anything that I wanted to on the boat. This year is different. You know what I mean? So stand by. I'm not going to talk about it. I'm going to be about it. You know what I mean? You'll see as things happen. I'm not even going to you'll get like a slight, like how you say, a slight preview or notice. You'll get a slight notice just before I do things. Other than that, I'm not broadcasting. I'm not broadcasting everything that I'm doing. You'll just if you follow Ink and Miriam, then you'll see. You know what I mean? All right, I'm gonna pause this until we get on the water later. Going under the Brooklyn Bridge on my way home. This is cool. This is really cool. It's the Brooklyn Bridge, and then right after that is the Manhattan Bridge. The bridge after this is where a certain person wrecked my boat, but I'm planning to fix it soon. Actually, I'm going to try to record me doing a temporary fix to my backstay tomorrow. I'll record that tomorrow. That's why I'm not dropping the episode till tomorrow, because I want to see if I can catch that. Oh look, well, you can't see it on the thing, but it's a train going across Manhattan Bridge to Flatbush. This is the exact way I came home when I brought the boat home. That's crazy. Alright, on the next one. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Feel me? This is how I live. NYC skyline, making moves. Two frogs neck. Oh, come on. Yeah, we chillin'. Major work in a while, and I'm excited to get to work on some real projects real soon. This is just temporary, so I can hold my backstay and keep my mask positioned in place better than it was, because this is a hydraulic backstay, and you can see there's nothing, so I got to rebuild it. This is just for now. It seems to be working. And soon I'll be able to start using my sails. That is the goal here. So, yeah. I went to the boat show yesterday. That was nice. The boat race. Not boat show, sorry. Sail race. Relax a little bit. I need to get something to eat. work on that. Now I can figure out what parts I need. Yeah, I got a better look at the serial number and everything else. So yeah, it should be much easier for me to get a rebuild kit for that now.
Yeah.